Hey guys, welcome back to All Things Nawni, where I create videos about the things that I enjoy, lifestyle, luxury, and travel. Welcome back to my channel. We have a new video today and I am doing an unboxing. As you can probably see in the description, it's an unboxing from Fendi. So I'm gonna be honest, it's not my item. My mother-in-law has been getting into her luxury bag and she has been stepping up her game with her designer handbags. So she just got something new for her birthday and she was gracious enough to let her favorite and only daughter-in-law unbox her latest purchase for you guys. So let's get into it. She is big. Get it out. Dang, this thing is heavy. I'm excited to see what she got. Here's the box, the packaging. She got this in the store, so not online. She went in and picked it out. She had actually gotten one bag that she showed me, and then she ended up returning it because there were just some issues with it that she didn't like. Then she went and exchanged it for what we have here. So let's see what she got. I'm like nervous because it's not mine. I took the Fendi tape off. It's pretty heavy too. Let's move the box to the side. Oh, this is cute. I don't think I've seen this before. So it has a chain, so you can wear it like a shoulder bag. So I just pulled it up on my phone. So this is the Fendi Can I black leather bag. So it is $2,950. It's a bag with a flap made of black leather, embossed and hand painted with the FF motif in brown. Isn't that so cute? It's decorated with iconic FF press fastening featuring two gusseted compartments separated by a stiff partition with an inner pocket and gold finished metal hardware. It has multiple ways that it can be worn. So you open it up like this, pops right open, and then it's like an accordion style on the inside. So it has an inside pocket right here where you can put a couple of things, and then it's got these two main compartments where you can fit. So you can, I feel like you could fit a lot in there. This is a cute little shoulder bag. And I like that it's versatile, that you can wear it crossbody or on the shoulder, or you could carry it like this. It's just super cute. And it's lightweight. I thought it was gonna be heavy. When I first took it out, I was like, is this gonna be heavy? But it's actually lightweight, especially if you're not like holding both chains together. So she's cute. Maybe she'll let me borrow her one day. I like it. It's very different. So it has Fendi on the buckles. And so you could take this off actually if you didn't want this handle, but I feel like I personally would keep it on. I like having the option to wear it either way. This chain is a little thick for me, but I feel like most bags that have chains like this are around this size. It reminds me of my toy Lulu. Is that a toy Lulu? It's not a toy Lulu, it's just a Lulu bag. But the chain is similar to this, which it's not heavy at all and doesn't bother me to wear. I'll do some mod shots to show you what it looks like on. And that is it. I don't have a story time because it's not my bag. Here's the bottom. But I think she's gonna love it. It's a very nice smooth leather on the back. She's cute. I feel like if I get a bag from Fendi, if and when, I definitely want to do a baguette. I feel like the baguette is just like so classic and I like the size of it, but I do feel like they're like overly priced. So I don't know if I'll ever get one, but I do like the baguette. If I was to get a Fendi bag, it would be a baguette. I've gone into Fendi a couple times and like looked at the bags, but I've never pulled the trigger and bought one. But I think at some point I definitely would want to get a baguette. Maybe one day I'll do a video of my mother-in-law's collection of handbags because she's got quite a nice collection. So that's it. Like I said, I'll do some shots, show you what it looks like on, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching this short unboxing. Let me know if you have any questions. Let me know if you have the bag, if you thought about buying it, or if you just want to know anything about it. Maybe I'll come back with an update on how she's been enjoying it once she starts wearing it. I can never quite figure out like the best way to show you guys something when I have it on, but I wanted to show you some quick ways to wear this bag. So here it is on the shoulder. Oh, I love, it's super cute. Of course, like I said, you could just carry it, holding it down. And then I'm interested to see a crossbody because I want to see where it hits. Okay. So it's right at the hip. So that's not bad. Let me know what you guys think about the bag in the comments below. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I hope everybody is doing well, and I will see you next time. Bye.
Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my mom's YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit those bell notifications.